Mold in your car's upholstery is not just unpleasant, it can also pose serious health risks, especially for those with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. Here are some simple steps to clean mold off your car upholstery without causing any damage. Rubbing alcohol is a simple yet powerful solution for tackling mold on car upholstery. It's effective at killing mold spores while also helping to disinfect the surface. To remove mold from your car's upholstery, start by thoroughly vacuuming the seats and fabric surfaces to remove any loose mold spores and debris. Next, mix equal parts of rubbing alcohol and water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution directly onto the affected areas, such as seats or fabric panels, making sure to cover the mold spots evenly. Using a soft bristle brush or a gentle upholstery cleaning machine, scrub the area to lift and break down the mold. Once the mold is removed, use a dryer or a fan to dry the area completely and prevent further moisture buildup. Finally, wipe down the surface with a clean, dry cloth to remove any remaining residue and leave the upholstery fresh and clean. Liquid soap is a gentle and effective option for cleaning mold from car upholstery. It works by lifting dirt, grime, and mold spores from fabric surfaces without damaging the material. To remove mold from car upholstery, start by mixing a small amount of mild liquid soap with warm water in a spray bottle. Then, spray the solution generously onto the affected upholstery areas, such as the seats or fabric panels. Let it sit for a few seconds to loosen the mold. Next, use a soft brush to gently scrub the area, working the soap into the fabric. Continue scrubbing until all visible mold is removed. Once clean, use a vacuum to extract excess moisture, or blot the area with a dry cloth to soak up the water. Allow the upholstery to air dry completely. This method will leave your car's interior clean, fresh, and free of mold. Mold remover spray is a quick and convenient solution for getting rid of mold and mildew from your car's upholstery. It helps to restore a clean, fresh-smelling interior. CLR Mold and Mildew Remover Spray has fast-acting formula, which works quickly and is applied easily using the foam sprayer, which allows for more direct and even coverage. The foaming action reduces splashback and helps the cleaner stay in place longer for a more effective clean. It also removes tough stains from a wide variety of surfaces, including hardwood floors, plastic and fabric. With a few simple tools and the right approach, you can safely remove mold and restore your car's interior.